run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would.
Hey you guys, it's Linda and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a nice and wearable holiday look that in gold and brown. This look was so requested on Instagram, so I decided to do the same or a similar look to show you guys how you can recreate this look for the holidays. I made this look basically like a full, like a glam eye, but with no foundation, just to like mix it up a little bit. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go to the tutorial. To start off this tutorial, I am going to use Spahr Flash Crayon, and Spahr is kind of a cool brown tone that is a very good, like, I like this to create soft smoky eyes. Just apply it around the whole eye and just smoke it out. And for some intense glitter application, I am going to use NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer. So this one I am going to apply on my inner corner or on the other half of the eyelid to stick the glitter better. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna go straight to the glitter. I am going to use Metallic Mysteries 2, and the shades from this palette that I'm going to use are Collision and Epsilon. So one very golden shade I'm going to apply. Ooh, look at this. When you apply it with a finger on this glitter primer, I'm gonna go in with a brush and just blend it over to the brown. And then I will go in with the brown, blend it into the gold. And I'm also gonna apply it underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the Infinity Deep palette, and first of all I will use the shade Light Year as a transition shade between the eyebrow and Epsilon. And then I will go in with Umbra between Epsilon and Light Year. I will take a smaller brush actually. Well, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some water. I have water in here on a brush, and I am going to apply Collision with water in my inner corner. And then I'm going to dab it a little bit in my inner corners with a fingertip just to get a little more shine in there. If you guys watched my latest video, you noticed that I dropped many things. This morning I actually dropped a yogurt onto my whole leg and my feet and onto the floor. So the whole kitchen was full of yogurt this morning. Very early, like 6 in the morning. So I was not satisfied with how my morning started. So what I'm doing now is just to intensify the eyes a little bit with black with Fornax from the Infinity Deep palette around. Just a little bit underneath and also a little bit just in the outer corners. Next up is eyeliner, and I don't like doing eyeliners on camera because you know that the days when you are going to this very big party or big event or whatever, and you decide to do an eyeliner and it turns out wrong every time. But when you're just gonna stay home and you decide to do an eyeliner and the eyeliner turns out really great. And that's the case when I do it on camera and off camera, because it feels like every time I try to do an eyeliner on camera, I just fuck up. I am using Suva Beauty Hydra liner in grease. Oh, I'm using it together with water. I really like a really thick wing. Do you start with your right or your left eye when you do your eyeliner? I think I always start with my left, or at least it feels like it. I'm not really sure. So eyeliner is done, I think. So now I'm gonna apply some mascara. And I am using Worth the Hype mascara from NYX Professional Makeup. I'm not gonna curl my lashes because I'm gonna apply false lashes later. And for the holidays, you may want to apply some false lashes and you've never done it before. So my tips for false lashes is definitely to, first of all, use a latex-free glue if you don't know if you're allergic to latex or not. If you're allergic to latex, it will probably itch and hurt and you will be very red and irritated in your eyes. But you can use, for example, House of Lashes glue. They have latex-free glue. Depend, they have latex-free glue, and Duo also has latex-free glue, which I also think is better because it's a little bit more elastic, so you can actually, if the lash decides to fall off or like get loose in one of the corners, you can just like push it back. And usually I use tweezers just to like pinch it back on if they come off. If you put the lash on immediately after you put the glue on, the lash will just come right back off. So wait a little bit and then you can put on the lash. And then I usually pinch the lash in the front, like together with my own lashes, to make sure that it stays there. And if you want to, you can go over with the eyeliner again, just to hide if you have any edges or anything. You can go over with your eyeliner one more time just to make sure that you hide like traces of glue, or if the band on the lashes, if the band is visible, because on some lashes the band is more visible, on some lashes it's not visible. If you like, you can always put some mascara on the lashes, because sometimes the lashes are different on different eyes. So example for here, this lash is a little bit more voluminous here on the inside, but this lash is not. So I'm putting some mascara on it just to balance the lashes off a little bit. I will do my base. So I'm gonna go to the original Infinity palette and do some highlighter. I'm using Virgo as my highlighter. And as you can see, these shades goes on really smooth and nice, even on a naked face, so you don't need foundation to use these shades on your skin. Then I will contour my face and also my neck. So I'm mixing Maffei, Zwicky and Cigar for this. And I'm gonna go for some blush, so I'm using Andromeda. My camera just got overheated, so I had to wait for a bit, but then I had time to figure out which lipstick that I'm gonna use. And I choose the Motives Mavens. It's a matte liquid lipstick that is called Reveal Me. And do you still like liquid lipsticks, or are you tired of them, or do you feel like you want more liquid lipsticks? I still love liquid lipsticks because I feel like that's the kind of the only thing that, except lip liners, that keeps my lines, like lip lines, in place. I love to have a liquid lipstick on my lips, but then usually I put something else on top of it just to get the moisture. Oh, let's do some setting spray and then we're done. The setting spray I'm using is from Indie Beauty and it's called Facial Mist. It's with vitamin C, which is really nice. I like it. Can I have some more? I'm not gonna put a hat on today. I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you are not tired of seeing me doing holiday looks that are both more natural and more edgy and different. I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys, take care.